That's just the victim. Throw a pity party with your demons, blaming everybody and you're screaming, screaming, but I'm the one bleeding. You're the one that's selfish and critical, you could take the blame, just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't warn you, this might hurt, that's just karma. Better take that. Call it payback. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just that's just